we're going to be reacting to the season 3, I think, announcement for City of the Wolves, Fate of Fury. Yeah. So I don't know, when was this announced? Actually, I'm not even sure. I thought this would be announced at Evo, but it wasn't. So yeah, but it's definitely interesting. They're doing 2 seasons in 1 year, I think. But yeah, let's look, see what they've got. It's gonna be animated, I guess. So I'm not gonna know most people. What the hell? Right? Oh, they're doing like a Smash style thing. Yeah, I guess those are all the characters of season 2. I do want to play her. Yeah, I've got to get on this game. But I don't know. Like Kenshiro, yeah. Are those the new ones? Damn, my Fatal Fury knowledge is very limited. Oh.
Feel the storm? It's coming.
Huh. So... okay. I'm not sure out of those who was new. I'm guessing the last dude is definitely one of the characters. He looks cool. Do we know him? Probably. I don't. Again, Fatal Fury is that one franchise, fighting game franchise. I'm really like, I know some of the characters, but like obviously Terry, Mai, and Blue Mary, and a few characters, but like not a ton. Is this guy a character? I don't know. Is this guy a character? He looks like one. But I don't know. So yeah, kind of curious about this whole. Is this? I guess. Let's see what it says. No description. Great, thanks. Well, you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments if you got info on this. I'm assuming this is gonna release over the second half of the year. I'm assuming this is one character a month again, but I don't know. I legit don't know. This didn't really say too much. Yeah, but I mean, cool. You know, it's cool that the game is getting this much content. I'm not sure it's gonna really help it move too many copies, to be honest, because I feel like the game has a few issues that it would need to revamp itself somehow for them. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, yeah, it's not a game I'm terribly excited about, but I'm also kind of still curious to watch tournaments and see what it's up to. So we'll keep watching these. But yeah, let me know if there's anything I need to know about this in the comments, and if there's anything else you want me to react to, let me know as well. And until then, we shall move on to the next one.